Ooh, what did you spot? She's pulling because she saw something. I mean, in a world now that we have dire wolves, soon to be woolly mammoths, maybe dodo birds, velociraptors, and T-Rex. Who knows what's to come in the future, but you can stay steadfast in God and His Word and His love and His truth. Enjoy the nature, but also look out. Stay in tune to what He warns us about in the future, the prophecy that has yet to come, and all the signs that come with it. Not to be fearful. Stay tuned and enjoy while you can before it's too late. And put your trust in Jesus.